Hello, my name is Katie and I'm going to show you the animal planet of Helly and Kelly. This is a really big story. It's about two monkeys named Helly and Kelly eating pasta in a bowl. It's pretty exciting. I'm going to go to Africa right now. Let's go. Come on. Steve Irwin cannot do this. I can. There they are. Look, it's so interesting. It's beautiful, look at them. My God. Oh, look. There's a lion right there. Oh, shoot. The lion's gonna kill them.
We're in our natural habitat.
Uh-oh, the monkey. The monkey's getting up. Uh-oh, what's the baby monkey doing? Oh my God. It's coming towards us. Oh, showing its behind. Oh my God. I did not know the skin could come off like that. Oh, there, she picked up the lion. It's a very strong monkey. Run, cameraman, run!
Watch it, Tara, attack! That's so cute! Oh my God! Attack!
Hey, this is going my Sweet 16. I hope you know that.
Is it real?
Oh yeah, documentary.
What are you doing to her?
She's my lion. It's alright.
Wave hi, Kyle. I'm naming my daughter Kylie Light.
I have to blow my nose.
Thank you for tuning in to
I look
our
fat.
special. Oh, same glasses. There's the monkey. So beautiful monkey. Do you see this?
Extreme close up!
This is extreme animal. Steve Irwin cannot do this. I can. Run, cameraman. Monkeys are attacking.
This is their natural food. Look at how disgusting this is.
Yeah, you made it, Laura.
Shh, nobody needs to know that.
Name's not Laura.
Look at all this. That is oil and butter. Let's cover it again.
Haley, how's she been?
She's carrying the lion. You're a strong girl. I hope you know that.
I think her dad just took her out.
Okay.
Did he?
Alrighty. Peace out, folks.